sewiyo ka meetha is beloved Indian dessert that holds a special place in hearts and kitchens of many. This traditional sweet dish is made with vermicelli, that is sewiyo, which is roasted or fried to perfection and then simmered in a rich mixture of milk, water, sugar, and the result is a creamy, sweet, and indulgent dessert that often flavored with aromatic spices like cardamom or saffron. The preparation of sewiyo ka meetha is an art that requires patience and skill. Overall, sewiyo ka meetha is a dessert that embodies the warmth and the hospitality of an Indian culture. Its rich flavor and creamy texture make it beloved treat that's sure to bring people together. This comforting dessert perfect for special occasions or everyday indulgence. Comment down below your favorite dessert.